So you want to learn to play Dungeons & Dragons. We've talked about what the dice are called. Let's talk about what you use them for. My name's Harlequin Gray. I'm a professional dungeon master. I've been playing D&D for over a decade. Let's get into it. You've got two different kinds of dice. Your D20, which is used to determine what the outcome is going to be, and the rest of them, which are going to be used to determine pretty much everything else. Your D20 is going to be your most used dice, so let's start with the everything else. These are going to be your dice that determine how big the number is, not what the outcome of the situation is. Your D4, your D6, your D10, and your D12 fall into this category. Those are going to be used to determine weapon damage, spell damage, healing effects, and special abilities. How much of each you get or how much damage you're doing. Things like that, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now, with the exception of your D4, all of these are also used as hit dice. We covered that in a previous video. When you're looking at your standard 7 dice set, you're going to see two different kinds of percentile dice. One that has single-digit numbers, and one that has double-digit numbers. Now, the interesting thing about the D10, as you might have noticed, is there's no 10 on the D10. It ranges from 0 to 9. The 0 is what represents the 10. The reason for this weird kind of numbering and this percentile dice is because there are things called D100 charts. A D100, as you can imagine, is pretty massive. It's a decent-sized ball. So a good way to do that is take your percentile die to represent the tens place and your D10 to represent the ones place. Let's say you roll a 00 and a 1, that is going to be a 1 on your D100. If you roll a 70 and a 6, that is 76. However, if you roll all zeros on both dice, that is going to be double zeros and a 0, that is a 100. So what about the D20? The D20 is the kind of circular one with the triangle faces on it. It has 20 sides. This is your most used dice in Dungeons & Dragons. It decides what is going to happen. It is going to be used for things like your skill checks, your ability checks, your saving throws, your initiative roll, your attack roll. Anything that changes the outcome is going to be your D20. As I've been saying, I am starting a YouTube channel. If you want to hear a lot more about dice and get really into the nitty-gritty, check out longer form videos on my YouTube.